Alright guys, now the first thing you do is come up here where the catalytic converter is. You need 9/16 and then spray all your rubber bushings with like WD-40, PB Blast, whatever, just so it's easier to slide this out. You got a hanger there. Double hanger there. There. And then I believe you have one more right there. And then the whole exhaust will come out. Hopefully, since my truck's lifted, I should be able to take it out. Guys, when I'm gonna start jumping on this, it comes out really easy, but I don't have a lot of space on my computer to put 12-minute clips on here, so I'm just gonna unbolt this, spray all the rubber bushings, yank this exhaust out, and my helper's here. Alright guys, so I was able to take the exhaust off in one piece. I've seen a lot of people do it on lifts. Obviously my truck's lifted, so I was able to come out real easy without having to use a truck lift. But so here's the whole piece right here. Now on this piece, it has this little clip right here. Basically all you can do is pull up here with a flathead, and this piece will slide right off. And then just take one of your bushings off. This one was kind of a pain, so I took it off from the bottom, or the top. The rest of them I took off from the bottom, so I'll be taking this bushing off, put on the new exhaust. I'm only needing this pipe. This is an extension in case you have like a crew cab with a crew cab, maybe 6.5 foot bed, which is not a very common, but 5.5 foot is common for it. Well, mine's a double cab, so I'm not needing this piece. I just need it here and the rest of this. And then right there, I'll show you different lengths to cut it, that pipe, which is already installed, so I'm just keep it adding on, and I'll show you guys at the end.